Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. So if you've been around my channel before, you know I do a lot of meal prepping and I've been kind of slacking a little bit on breakfast for the boys. I love to have lots of options ready for them in the morning because our mornings are so hectic. Getting up, getting ready, and getting out the door to school, work, and everything else. So I really like to have a lot of breakfast ready to go. For today, I'm going to make these pancake sausage balls. So I have my Baby Cakes cake pop maker. This thing is so awesome. I love making cake pops. If you saw my video from a couple weeks ago, I made some holiday keto cake pops. But I love this maker. If you don't have one, I'll put a link in the description box. You can get them on Target, Amazon, Walmart. So I'll put a few links wherever you like to shop the most. Check out those links, and these are so fun to have. You can do so many things with this maker besides just cake pops. Then I also have my little pancake dispenser. It just makes it a little bit easier. You guys know that I kind of make a mess all over the place when I'm cooking, but that's okay. That's why I like to meal prep, so I can make a big old huge mess, clean it up, and then I don't have to worry about messing the kitchen up for a few days because we have tons of food ready to go. So for these pancake sausage balls, just regular pancake mix, and then I already cooked up some sausage that's leftovers. So just little pieces of sausage all crumbled, and that's gonna go inside of the pancake balls. So I'm gonna get all these going. I'm gonna make a big old batch for the boys. They love these. You can dip these in a little bit of syrup if you want. But we don't really need to because this is actually maple flavored sausage, which is my favorite. I just love maple flavored sausage. It's kind of, I guess, my breakfast weakness. So I'm gonna make all of these. I will link, like I said, the Baby Cakes maker in the description box because they're so fun. I'll also link my video to the cake pop video that I did a few weeks ago if you want to check that one out. As you know, if you've been around my channel, you know that I'm doing Vlogmas this month, a new video every single day. So make sure you check back and see what I'm up to each day this month. I'm having so much fun celebrating the holidays, and you know, we're still busy with all kinds of things. So I'm gonna make sure we have lots of breakfast prepped, ready to go, and I'll have these ready for the boys for the next few days. So I'll get these all made up.
All right, so my Baby Cakes maker is all heated up and it is wonderful. I love it. It's non-stick, so I don't have to spray it with cooking spray or anything, and then everything just pops right out of it and super clean. So I'm going to, I have my pancake mix in my little pancake batter dispenser. So I poured about halfway, a little less than halfway. And then I'm going to add in the sausage, and now I'm going to add in a little more on top of the sausage, and the pancake will expand, and then I'm going to close this up, and it is going to cook. It doesn't take long at all, maybe about 5 minutes. And these come out so perfect and round little balls. So they're pretty hot, but I'm going to pull them out of here, and I'm going to do another batch. But so if there's a little batter that kind of like spills over, you could just trim it with like your kitchen scissors. So if there's a little, you know, kind of extra that dripped over, it just comes off super easy. I just use my kitchen scissors, trim it up, and make it back into a ball. So these are so awesome. My kids seriously love them. They want them all the time. So the Baby Cakes maker is super clean. I don't even need to even clean it to do the next batch. I just love the non-stick. So just doing another batch, and I'm just going to do a few batches until I'm out of pancake mix. And then we'll have all of these pancake sausage balls ready to go for the week. So like I said, the boys love these, and they don't even need to dip them in syrup. They kind of do because they love syrup.
All right, so these pancake balls that I made in my Baby Cakes maker are all done. Big old batch, perfect for the boys for breakfast during our hectic mornings. Don't have a lot of time to get ready, get out the door for school and work. So I love having this big batch ready, and they can just pop these in their mouths. They're just almost bite-sized, couple bites, and they come out so good in the Baby Cakes maker. So you can definitely make other things besides just cake pops and a Baby Cakes maker. These are so good. So thanks so much for watching my video for today. Make sure you come back again tomorrow for another Vlogmas video. I'm having so much fun doing a video every day for the month of December. So check back and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.